What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today I'm going to review, since the second season is on and on air, and I think it's best to review the first season of Snowpiercer. The story is derived from, I think, the same Korean movie, because at that in that movie I think the cast and especially the whole movie is really wonderful. I thought maybe it will be something like this, but in the first series of this Snowpiercer, I found it they just dragged the story so much. And in the first season, what you will see is that there are two different categories, the rich and the poor, and now they need the people from the poor class, Leighton. They wanted him to find out, because there is a murder that happened and they just wanted to figure it out what happens. In the parallel note, there are different characters, those who are going on, but later I just really feel that the character of the police inspector, I forgot her name, but Frank or Bess, what is her name, she is a good character that I really found. At the beginning it was very good, found out that what will happen, but as the story will progress, you will find out that Melanie, she is running this train and telling all the people that Mr. Wilford is in charge of everything, and throughout the movie she's just shielding herself with the name of Wilford. And in the end you will find out that the truth will reveal, and they will find out what's happening, because Leighton, he has also family, and she also is with her family, and they just don't want to share their weaknesses to different people. And whereas you will see the rich people are always busy in gossiping, and all the conspiracy theories that are going there, they are the ones who are brewing it. And since he's from a low scale portion of the train, and they just don't value him also, and they just wanted to uh, make sure that he doesn't reveal things that are pertaining to the rich people, what they are doing it. But in the end you will find out that in the first season they just dragged a lot. I found out that they are just into mind games. The barber will come, the Leighton and his other relations will show up, and what they do with the people, those who are sick, and all these things you will find out as you progress with the story, and you will figure it out what happens and how the tables will turn, and you will find out the another character very closer to Melanie, Ruth. She talked with the authorities over there, and they end up staging a coup there, and then there starts another season. And I'm not watching the another season until all the episodes will show up. But what the trailer was showing it, now the lost portion of the train will come up, and I feel like Wilford will show up. I didn't even watch, because last time I have to wait for every episode, and they make it more they created more curiosity to make them feel like, oh, this is a very good series. But I feel like the second series will be very good, because they wanted to reveal more characters, and I hope you will really like the first season, because once you will not watch the first season, you will not you catch up with the second one. So kindly like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications. I'm going to start the second season, and we'll see what happens. Have a great week. Bye bye.